In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create barcodes in Google Sheets. This process is simple and efficient, allowing you to generate barcodes directly within your spreadsheets, which is especially useful for inventory management or organizing products. Let's get started and walk through this step by step. First, begin by opening a new or existing Google Sheet. If you haven't already created a sheet, just go to Google Sheets and open a new document. Make sure all the data for which you want to create barcodes is available and neatly organized. Once your sheet is prepared, we can move on to the next step. Next, navigate to cell B2 by clicking directly on it. This is where we'll enter a formula that will help in generating the barcode. You can use any column, but for this example, we're going to use column B. This column will eventually display your barcodes. Now, in cell B2, type in the formula XA2. This formula will copy the contents of cell A2. It's important this cell contains the data you want to turn into a barcode. After typing the formula, simply hit the Enter key. This action will execute the formula, and you'll see the content from A2 appear in B2. Once you have entered this formula in the first cell, you can use the autofill feature to apply it to the other cells in column B. To do this, hover over the bottom right corner of cell B2 until a small blue square appears, then click and drag it down as far as you need. This will copy the formula to each subsequent cell, pulling the corresponding data from column A. After you finish autofilling, the next step is to highlight the range of cells where we applied the formula, from B2 down to the point you stopped. Click and drag to select these cells. Now, we need to change the font of these cells to barcode format, which will transform the numeric or alphanumeric data into a readable barcode. Locate the font type icon in the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on it. You'll see a variety of font choices. Scroll through until you find the option called Libre Barcode 39. This special font renders your data as a machine-readable barcode, so it's crucial for this process. Go ahead and select Libre Barcode 39 by clicking on it. Instantly, the contents of your highlighted cells will switch to barcode format. Depending on your needs, you might want to adjust the font size to make the barcodes more readable or properly fit them in the cells. You can do this by increasing the font size using the font size menu right next to the font picker. And there you have it, a simple 10-step process to create barcodes directly in Google Sheets. This method offers a seamless way to manage and generate barcodes without needing any external software. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident in generating your own barcodes within Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more handy tips and tricks.